Hey everyone, welcome to a quick Pocket Beats video. The dry sound of the PO-16 factory pocket operator can sound pretty blunt or maybe a bit too harsh in my opinion. However, what I like most about this pocket operator is probably the arpeggiator feature. So I decided to record it into Logic on my computer and then apply a plugin that I've been loving called the Valhalla Vintage Verb. I'm using one of the preset settings, and all I did was reduce the balance between the original signal and the reverb effect to 50%. The app lets me adjust the color of the reverb effect to reflect something typical of the 1970s hardware that blended nicely with the music, I thought. So the main thing I wanted to say today is, even if the sound you hear directly from the pocket operator isn't quite to your liking, you can definitely improve it after recording it. Personally, I really like sequencing and using the tools on the PO-16 factory for composing, so it's a really fun first step in the workflow for creating something creative and unexpected. Alright, so that's where we'll leave it for this video. If you have any questions about anything, please leave it down below. Any video requests, absolutely welcome. Please let me know what you'd like me to make. I am going to get onto the chopping up drums, amen break, etc. chopping up drum breaks video on the PO-133. That's going to come up very soon, so I'll see you guys then. Bye.